Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Michele Abbate, professional TA2 Trans Am driver. And today on Project GrrMaro, we are actually going to be showing you guys some footage from a few months back when we installed our brand new KW suspension. We are super stoked to have KW on board. I have used KW for numerous years and love their product. And so the reason we're showing you suspension footage today, you guys, is because we are still waiting on some custom pistons from CP Pistons. And also we are getting our heads back from K-Tech hopefully this coming week. So that will be back on track and ready to assemble. Very excited to get the motor back together. That's kind of a huge part of our program. And then also this car has been getting a lot of attention because we do race in a little bit less than a month. So here's our video on the KW suspension. Hope you guys like it. Come check it out.
So today, as you can see, boom, doing some suspension thanks to KW. Let's show you guys what we got.
So our Camaro is a 2011 2SS, and it's got about 105,000 miles on it. It's actually got kind of rough suspension on it, so we're gonna swap it out. I'm really excited about this. I have KWs on my BMW, and man, it rides so nice. So I'm really looking forward to seeing a difference between how the car rides right now, which is not so good, and then how it rides with the new KWs. So super excited. Come check out how we're gonna put these things in, and we'll let you know how they feel. Alright, so we got our brand new coilover here from KW. Just wanted to show you guys before we put it in what it looks like. Obviously much better condition than what we have on the car right now, and also these actually have the bump adjustment on the bottom, which is really great. So we're gonna get these all put in and dialed, and then we'll be off to a much better place than we are right now.
Alright, we got the big old OEM guys out, sitting next to that sleek, nice looking KW. Come here, Mox. Man, this thing, oh, that thing is so heavy. It's like huge weight savings too. It's insane. I can't wait. It's gonna be so rad.
Sweet.
Totally.
Alright, there we go. Got the old one out.
Yep, it wasn't too bad. It was a little confusing before we read the directions on what we needed from the old piece to the new piece, but we figured out they give you two of these, use one or the other, so ours is in there right on top of the spring. And then on the top side you do use the OEM, I think they called it a bushing, right?
Yeah, the rubber bushing. It's underneath the metal plate.
And
so
yeah, bolted up super easy. Looks amazing. I can't wait to freaking feel it on the road. But yeah, so now we'll go do the other side.
So we got both fronts on. They look sweet. We didn't adjust them at all from where they came sent to us. We wanted to see how they look. We'll adjust them from there. But we're gonna set it down, see how it looks. Not bad. I had measured the distance from the fender to the ground earlier, and they're almost exactly where they were before. It looks pretty good. I like it. I don't like my cars super slammed. So we have to actually go meet my parents for dinner, and we'll see how it feels with just the front end done. But yeah, super pumped so far. Super easy install. Love it.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. We will be showing you the rear installation a little later down the line. For now, that's all we've got. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking over here. And if you didn't catch the episode before this one, give it a click up here. And if you want some more great content from our page, just click right down here for another one of our videos. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you then.